What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. That's right, man. Do your own research, man. We're going to be getting into some charts and we're going to get into some numbers once again, man. So this is the price action that all that happened for the day. Prices, they went sideways. They made two-legged correction, fell down, lower high, and now they're just stagnant at 4,000. So this is what prices did. This is show you how real fibs are in this market. And if you get the understanding of fibs, you know where prices could potentially be going and why they went there. So the fib retracement from the push down yesterday was a 38% retracement to the number. They double topped at it to the number. And then they sold off today. So this is just, man, fibs are real, man, and it can definitely help you in your trading, man. It just kind of puts everything in perspective, and it shows you exactly why prices are going where they're going. It just gives you an understanding of the market if you can use these Fibonacci's price points. So that was today. So then we're going to show you what the price action was on a smaller time frame. This is all we had to watch. So they trended up. This was the sell-off at right before 2 o'clock. This was the sell-off. So if you made money today with this move, man, you made a killing. Happy for you. So we got a lot of sideways action. So when I had my levels, this is my levels from the other day, we got sideways price action. Prices opened here. I'm going to just kind of cut it out and show you. All right, this is the day. This is today's price action. So prices, let me slide this over so you can see it a little better. All right, so this is what we got for today's price action, right? We got sideways action. Prices swung up and down, up and down. They finally broke out. We got a second entry short up here off this moving average. You could have rolled this all the way up today. I didn't get any of this move. I was just waiting on the prices was way too slow. I waited on this move. I was just waiting to see what they were gonna do. So so this is really what all I was focused on today. This is what the price action I was looking at. So we got the highs and we got the lows right up in here. So this green line here, this green line has been on my chart for about 2 weeks now, and this is the moving average on a bigger time frame. So they reacted off this level today, and this is what I was basing my trades off of. So I wasn't able to catch this move down. I caught a retracement move somewhere down here, and I wrote them down here. I caught a small move, but I got out way early, and I got caught going short on this retracement up. So they came up, stopped me out, kept going, and then this was the trade. They reacted off this same level this morning, and they pushed back down. So we have a double bottom trying to base here. We got a higher low, but this was the price action. This is all we had today. So nothing but chop on up into the meeting. You could have got in on this retracement move. This is probably the only trade that I saw that was kind of seen coming, was this retracement move, consolidation back to the lows. This 3980 level held today. This was the trade that was supposed to be taking, but you know, you make mistakes during when you trade, and so it came back up here, and this literally was a beautiful trap, man. They trapped folks out going short at the lows, higher low. They based here at 3980, and you could have caught a huge move, and they went up quick too. So even if you wanted to take profit up here, it went so fast you would have been out. So this was the price action today, man. It was pretty pretty decent, nice volatility. If you were green today, yeah, man, nothing much. Just keep these levels on your chart. They're reacting off these levels. So now we got the highs for tomorrow, and we're expecting a push either way. So we got our levels for tomorrow. So this is all we're running off of. We got these levels. So we got the highs and the lows. You see we're in a range. It could be coming back to test these highs. It could be coming down to test these lows tomorrow. But right now we got doji candles on the bigger time frames. So we don't know exactly where they're gonna go. Well, this is kind of a bearish candle, but nothing is 100% right now. Got a big 2 legs down. They bounced at support 39.80 level right here. I got this line drawn and highlighted, as you can see, man. So the next level's down here about 39.50. So those are the levels that I'm playing. They break this 39.80 level. This is my target for tomorrow. So if they come back up, I'm expecting them to test these highs of today. So that's all I'm waiting on for price to move. Tomorrow they might sell it off Friday, but we're gonna get into the rate hike. So the rate hikes, as you know, kind of changed. So it mentions the Fed's inflation goes off the table. So the Fed mentions inflation fight is not over. So even though they are approaching a finish line, quote unquote, we aren't there yet. So they're not pivoting, and this has been kind of obvious for those who were bullish. I heard a lot of people talking about we're going to see new highs this year and all this, but if they continue in this, it's going to be around for a lot longer. So I do want to highlight this major point in his speech today. It mentions Jesse Powell. He mentions rates will stay higher for longer. So updated Fed projections should be seen as a signal that the Fed will maintain high rates for an extended period of time. So we're not, it mentions the Fed funds rate ends up at about 5 to 5.25% or 4.5 to 4.75, which was previously forecasted. So not anytime soon. This will be around for a while. So we're going to check out what sectors do well in this stagflation period, which is food and beverage companies do well. Healthcare is immune to stagflation. Utility companies, these are seen as the defensive stocks that people are putting their money in. So the utility companies, because these are basic necessities. So you know, utilities, we need those. And then gold does well in stagflation, so could be seeing a strong year for gold in 2023. That's what I'm looking at. Potential these only sectors if we're buying stocks. So that's all I'm looking at. Inflationary period is here to stay for a while, so be careful trading this market, man. So we're gonna look at the bigger time frame and see where we could possibly be going. We're still in this huge downtrend. We made a lower high, finally got a lower high beneath the moving average. So we poked our head above it 2 times here, and now we finally got a lower high beneath the moving average. We closed beneath it, so I'm expecting downward pressure. Expect a move from me. Would here, this is the first target, right here. Boom. The first target for me would be the 387 level. This is the first target that I'm watching. So there's no doubt that I'm expecting price to go here within this week now. So just to do We do have bear signals, sell signals on every time frame. So I'm expecting level anywhere in the zone down. I'm expecting prices. So anywhere in this zone, this market, man, from 340 to 320, anywhere in here, the market could turn down and finish down here. So have a huge downtrend going, as you can see. Wick. So all we need is a break beneath this level at 393. Some serious downward pressure, man. So and